What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming a tutorial on this look right here, this pink cotton candy kind of look, using the Be Perfect and Stacey Marie Carnival palette. It is such a beautiful palette, if I can get it open. Oh, here's the palette right here. It's absolutely stunning. It's got such a beautiful variety of colours, a lot of bold colours, so you can create some bold, beautiful looks. And if you guys know Stacey Marie, she's an amazing makeup artist on Instagram as well, if you want to check her out. But yeah, this palette is amazing, so blendable, so pigmented, absolutely amazing, and I really loved creating this look for you. This is something different to what I normally do, and I was really excited to play with pink. I did a poll on my Instagram stories which tutorial you'd like to see out of blue or pink, and blue was 45 and pink was 55, so pink is the winner. So yeah, I'll still do a blue look, but at first I wanted to do a pink look. Yeah, I really like the way that this look turned out, and if you guys would like to see how to recreate this eye look right here, just keep watching. Alright guys, so we're using the Carnival palette today from Be Perfect Cosmetics, and I was so excited to finally use this palette on camera. It's absolutely amazing. I'm going to start by putting some translucent powder on the outer corners of my eyes, and we're going to go in with that soft coral pink shade. I'll leave the colours in the description box below, and I'm going to pop this colour through the crease. This will be our transition shade, and I'll slowly build it up, starting from the lightest to the brightest pink, just so we get the nice colour variety. And then I'll go in with the bit of a more fuchsia pink colour, and I'm going to pop that again through the crease in windshield wiper motions, just from outer corner to inner corner, and trying to keep that rounded shape. So I'm going to be using my MAC 217 just to really get in the crease and make sure it's nice and defined at the same time. I'm then also going to take a blending brush and just blend as I go, just so the colour is nicely dispersed. And then I'll keep adding, as you'll see throughout the tutorial, I'll keep adding a little bit more colour, then blending, a little bit more colour, then blending, just so it doesn't get too crazy. So that's just what I'm doing now, building up that pink beautiful shade. And then I'm taking the darker pink, and I'm going to be starting to pop this on the outer corner and the inner corner, just to build that kind of halo shape. So I'll first do the outer and inner corner, and then I'll slowly pop it through the crease, just slowly dabbing it in, just to build up the colour. But we want majority of that darker pink on the inner and outer corners of the eye for the halo effect. Then I'm going to take my NYX Total Cover Concealer just to cut the center of the lid, and I'm just going to be using this technique with the concealer. So I'll pop a little bit near the lash line and look up, and that'll show me where my crease needs to be cut from. Then I'll just drag the concealer down. I'm not going to be setting this concealer with any translucent powder. I'll just go straight in with the glitter. Now, just using my fingers just to blend the pink with the concealer so the edges aren't too harsh. And just blending the outer and inner corners as well, so it's nice and soft before we go in with the glitter. So I'm going to be taking my Lit Cosmetics glitter. I'll leave the colour again in the description box below. And I'm going to take it on a flat shadow brush and really pack that glitter on. This one looks gorgeous because it's not an intense chunky glitter. It's more of a foiled glitter. So I'll pop this on, and it just really complements the pink really nicely. And it's perfect for this halo look as well. So I'll add 2 layers of that. Make sure the glitter is nice and evenly dispersed, and then I'll make sure I keep blending the inner and outer corners so it's nice and blended and you get that nice spotlight eye. I'm going to take another shade of the Lit Cosmetics glitter, and this one's a holographic white, so it throws off shades of purple and blue. And I'll just pop a little bit of that on top of that light pink just to add a little bit more dimension. And I'm going to take my NYX matte liquid liner. I find this liner is best to use with any glitters or any filled shadows just because it goes over it nice and evenly. And then my camera stopped recording, but I applied my Stella lashes, my favorite pair ever. And I'm going to be taking the same shades that we use on the top under the lower lash line. So I'll use a bullet brush for this and really blend it out. I'll start with the lighter colors and then also blend it out with the darker colors as well. So exactly the same as the top, the same shades, and then I'll blend it out with that orange shade as well. And then I'm just going to take my Essence Silky Nude eyeliner just in my waterline to open up the eye a little bit, and it complements the color as well. I'm going to take my Rimmel Lash Accelerator mascara and coat my lower lashes. I love this mascara, it's so amazing. And I'm going to take that beautiful white which has hints of gold and silver in it as well for my inner corner and brow bone highlights. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, this is so satisfying to watch. I love it. Oh, so beautiful. Now time for lips. I couldn't pick what I wanted, but then I finally decided on my Kylie Cosmetics Candy K lip kit. So the lip liner and the liquid lippy as well. I haven't worn this in a long time and I forgot how gorgeous this color is, and it suits this eye look so much. I'm going to take my Enlightened From Within powder from Mecca, which my best friend bought for me. Oh, so beautiful, and it's got a bit of pink in it as well, and my Hamptons blush from Nyx as well. Alright guys, so this is the completed look right here. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial, just focusing on the eye look. Yeah, with some different shades which I don't usually tend to go to, and a different lip combination. But yeah, if you guys didn't know, pink is my favorite color. Can't tell by my wall color as well. Pink is my feature wall. Absolutely love pink. I have for such a long time. My nails are pink. Everything's pink. My toenails are pink. Oh, love pink. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial right here. I will do a blue tutorial as well using that palette because there's some beautiful blue shades in there too. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this cotton candy pink makeup look. If you guys liked it, don't forget to like it down below and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and press the little bell button to get notifications for when I upload next. But yeah, if you'd like to see more videos in the future from me, don't forget to keep watching, and yeah, subscribe to my channel, and my Instagram is just Jessvitelli as well. And I hope you guys have a beautiful day wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video.